Good morning, everybody. Well, there's time to go for a walk before shift this morning. And you know what? Living out in nature is just a beautiful thing. I'm a real outdoorsman, so I absolutely love it. Let's go to a point here. This is only a 4-minute walk away. And you know what? You just get out and boom, that's it. You got a view and you're out in nature. And we all know how good that is for the spirit, for the mind, and for the body as well. Anyways, thanks for watching, folks. Come along for a walk with me and enjoy the scenery here around beautiful Deer Lake.